Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can participate in the crowdfunding event in Heartopia. So you'll see there's like this box in front of your house, and basically you just need to submit the things that are requested. So there's some info cards, radishes, and some fishes as well. You don't have, I think it's like different for everybody, but make sure you have those items in stock because you are also able to stock other people's boxes if you want this like new title. It's still hidden, but you'll need to submit 100 times. Um, you don't need to submit like everything in like the same box. You can just submit one box and then close it, and it's going to be submitted as one. So if you want to participate in that, you can, or you can just like I guess put stuff in the box in your house, and you don't have to like do it to other people's houses, I guess. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Make sure you do the quest from Naughty first though. Before this, it might not show up. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!